Snacking can be an essential part of a balanced diet, providing necessary nutrients and energy throughout the day. However, choosing the right snacks is crucial for maintaining good health. Here, we'll explore 10 of the best snack foods and their effects on health. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. These provide a good amount of protein and fiber, helping to keep you full and satisfied. Regular consumption of nuts has been associated with reduced risk of heart disease, improved cholesterol levels, and better weight management. Greek yogurt contains more protein than regular yogurt, making it a great snack for muscle repair and growth. It contains probiotics, which support gut health. Greek yogurt can improve digestive health, boost the immune system, and support weight management due to its high protein content. Fruits like apples, berries, and oranges are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide a natural source of sugar and fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Regular fruit consumption is linked to reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Vegetable sticks with hummus is a good snack option. Vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. Hummus, made from chickpeas, provides protein and fiber. This combination can help control hunger, improve digestive health, and support weight management. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which protect the body from oxidative stress. It provides important minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. Moderate consumption of dark chocolate can improve heart health, enhance brain function, and lower the risk of certain diseases. Popcorn is a whole grain that is high in fiber. When prepared without excessive butter or oil, it's a low-calorie snack. Popcorn can aid in digestion, help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, and promote satiety due to its fiber content. Avocado toast is a good snack option. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats that are good for heart health. It provides vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Avocado toast can support heart health, improve cholesterol levels, and provide sustained energy. Cheese and whole grain crackers is a good option for snacks. Cheese is a good source of protein and calcium. Whole grain crackers provide fiber. This snack can help build strong bones, promote muscle health, and improve digestion. Smoothies can be tailored to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, and proteins. They also contribute to daily fluid intake. Depending on the ingredients, smoothies can boost immune function, enhance digestive health, and provide a nutrient-dense energy boost. Edamame are an excellent plant-based protein source. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Edamame can support muscle growth, improve digestion, and contribute to heart health due to their high nutrient content. Choosing healthy snacks can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense snacks like nuts, Greek yogurt, fruits, and vegetables can help you maintain energy levels, support digestive health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Next time you reach for a snack, consider one of these options to keep your diet balanced and nutritious.